Hey everyone, today I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix your YouTube Recap 2025 not showing up. If this guide helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. So you've probably noticed that your YouTube Recap for 2025 isn't appearing, right? This can be super frustrating, but don't worry, I've got a solution for you. If you've checked your profile and scrolled down only to find the recap missing, here's what you can do. First, head out of the YouTube app completely. Next, open your App Store. Once there, tap on the top right corner and scroll down. Look for any available updates for YouTube. If there is one, make sure to update it. If you're using Google Chrome or any browser, it can help to update that too. After updating, open Safari or your preferred browser and type in youtube.com/recap. When you hit enter, you might see a message saying recap is now available in the YouTube app. Tap open YouTube, then open again. It'll check for updates, and after that, your recap should be ready to show up in your YouTube app. Just make sure everything's updated and you should be good to go. If it still doesn't show, just give it some time. It will pop up soon enough. Thanks for watching. If this helped, share it with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.